Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is the updated video about this gorgeous 2002 Yamaha Royal Star. She is absolutely gorgeous. I had to wait for the sun to come down a little bit, otherwise it would have been a complete disaster. This way you can actually see the true color, hopefully. She's gorgeous, she's powerful, comfortable, shiny, new oil change, new front windshield, clear. You can see through that thing like you see through your actual window or windshield in your car. New fuel pump, new battery, new relay starter, new backrest, new fuel filter. There's your backrest. A little baggage in the back, a little pocket, I mean. A little zipper, Velcro. Comes with a cell phone holder, Bluetooth, cup holder, Curacan grips, alarm system with a remote control. Very comfy seats, no tears, no rips, garage kept, shiny anywhere you can look. Rear back rest as well, holding bars. Oh, I've got a nice side marker that actually lifts up when it started. I'll start it in a second for you. Large trunk, dual exhaust, third brake light, amazing condition, guys. This is not your typical farm kept, outside driveway kept motorcycle. This is your garage kept, new tires, front and rear, maybe 6 months old, if that. The lights are not yellow, they are like brand new. There's your split slip streamer, I believe it's called. Brand new windshield, not a scratch. $280 for the windshield only. Let's give it a start.